go over briefly. Let's see. So on the top, you'll see the tax year. And for corporation, it's very, very common. You have fiscal year. Okay, you have the different fiscal year. Anybody still remember what's a fiscal year mean? What's the major difference? What's the definition of fiscal year, other than calendar year?
Fiscal year, you can define any time start to next year, the date.
But eventually, it's not that flexible. It's a little bit not that flexible. And it's not really any time. It's any month. It's any month. You can define any month, not any time. It must be the last day of each month. So not every day. You cannot pick out like March 5th. This is very weird. It must be the end of each month. Okay, so the first line is the then on the left you can check here. What's left? Okay. Left here. When I say left, this is left. Say if this is a consolidated, we will talk about consolidated in our financial accounting. Consolidated means parent company and subsidiary. Even though you are different company, but you put them together on the one tax return. This is live from consolidated. This is a personal holding company. What I talk about was a personal holding company. This is a personal service company or any other thing. Okay, this is the check here. And this is the name of the company, the address, the EIN number, the tax ID number, okay? And the date incorporated. And this is the date your company filed the article with your state agency. So this date does not change. Keep it the same day every year. And total assets. So after you took the financial accounting, you know the assets. Okay, right now just give you one idea. The assets on the balance sheet is on the left side. This is the assets, and this number is always equal to the right side. This is what's that? Liability plus the equity. Okay, we're gonna see this. Okay, and here is this the initial return. If this is the first time you file it, you check here. If this is the last time, if the corporation resolve, okay, if the corporation resolve, you check here. Any name change here or address change here? Number 4 maybe it may happen. If your company change the address, you check here. The first part very similar to the individual. Okay, you have from number 1 all the way to number 10. Let's see what there. Okay. This is a new one. 1A is a new one for this year. Everybody see what's there? Can you read it, everybody? Can you read it? Merchant card and third-party payment for 2011. Anybody know what's this? What's this?
I saw it in my personal tax report, but I didn't read it.
Before the.
This is a new one, by the way, everybody. This is a new one.
If you use the credit card
Yeah.
payment,
Yeah.
the credit card company don't report to IRS, but since the last year.
Yes. You company receive the credit card payment from your customer. It's not a credit card you pay to somebody else. It's your company receive the payment through credit card. So it doesn't matter you are a retailer or service like me, I have a credit card, okay? Or anybody. You receive the payment from your client but through the credit card company. Then this is the new regulation, the IRS, the new law require the bank, they report the number to IRS, so you cannot get away. In the past, no such item. But even though no such item, you still report. But right now, this is a new one. So the IRS, they can get the number from the bank and double check, see if you report this number on your income tax. So this is a new one, very interesting. Okay? And every year we have a new